Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM 2021. In this video, we will see what's new in SolidCAM 2021 Rotary Machining. Rotary Machining was also called Screw Machining in the previous versions, but since 2021, it's known as Rotary Machining. In the earlier version of Rotary Machining, other than 2021, when the program used to, or the toolpath used to be generated for such parts, we could see here that when the cutting started, we'll just go into the simulation. So when cutting such parts, the tool always used to be at the center. That means the tip of the tool always used to do the cutting. Now, we know that in cutting tool terminologies, using the tip is not a great way of cutting any part. We know that the tool tip always has 0 RPM, so it's not the best way to do any cutting. So in 2021 Rotary Machining, we have got an option of shifting the tool in a particular axis so that we use the side of the tool to do the cutting. In the video that you're going to see now, you can see the effect of moving the tool away from the center and cutting it. The material removal gets improved dramatically. You get a much stable cutting, and you can use much higher cutting parameters, which you're going to watch in the video. As you saw in the video, we can now apply the same side shift into this toolpath, either by a value or by a tool percentage in the tool diameter. Let's calculate with a shift of 5 millimeters. The calculation here is happening in real time. Okay, it's done. Let's go into the simulation and now watch what happens with this shift. Okay, let's go into the right view and fit this. Now you can see that if I run the simulation, the tool is always off center. It is never in the center. It is moving from Y plus to Y minus because we are doing bi-directional cutting. So in one direction it will be in Y plus. When it is returning back, it will move to Y minus to maintain the shift that was provided by the user. By doing that shift, we are now using the side of the tool to cut this part and to cut it more efficiently, as we saw in the video, with a much higher parameters and depth of cut. So this is a very useful feature we have in Rotary Machining in 2021. Thank you very much for looking at the video.